In this video, I'll show you how to slow down a fast-moving clip in Premiere Pro and keep it looking smooth. So, I've just added a video of this bird to my timeline, and as you can see, its head is moving super quickly. To slow it down, I'll right-click on the clip and choose Speed, Duration. In the window that appears, I'll lower the speed to around 40%. But when slowing down fast motion like this, Premiere can sometimes make the video look choppy. That's why we also need to change the time interpolation setting to Optical Flow. This tells Premiere to generate extra in between frames for smoother motion. Now, Optical Flow can be a bit heavy on performance, so you'll want to render the clip before previewing it. To do that, first select the clip in the timeline, then press the I key to mark the in point at the start, and the O key to mark the out point at the end of the clip. Then go up to the menu and choose Sequence, Render In to Out. This will render that section and give you smooth playback. Once that's done, your fast bird clip should play back in clean slow motion, even with those quick head movements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.